Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix something is missing. We are missing some information for you to log in on Sweatcoin app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So most likely if you are getting this error, most likely it's because you didn't give enough or all details while creating your account, or your account is not activated. For that, you need to check your email and see if you have a confirmation code. Follow it to confirm your account. Also, if you had not given all the details, as you can see here, we have an option to log in from activation email. For this, it means you need to go to your email and check for the activation email, follow it before you can log into your account. In most cases, this should fix your problem. But should this not work for you, then it means you're trying to log in with an email that you didn't use to sign up with your account. For that, you need to confirm that your email is right or it is correct before you log in. But in case you don't have any issue, or you have been logging in regularly with your details without any issue, then you want to check and see if there is any update for this app. And you can simply do that by going to Play Store or App Store, then search for your app. So I'll just search for Sweatcoin like that, and in case you see an update, update your app to the latest version. However, even after updating, if you still encounter a challenge, then you need to go to settings, and from settings look for apps on your phone, and under apps you should see all your apps here, or if you don't see, you should see manage apps or all apps. Tap on it to list all the apps you have on your phone. At this point, search for your app by name, and then here go to force stop the app, and then clear cache, and then again clear all data. Once you are done, restart your smartphone, and now if you go to your phone, you will need to log in afresh. Log in with the correct emails or details, and this problem now should have been fixed. So let me know which of this was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.